All right, Steffan. The ID.4, which I know is on your list of consideration because you're kind of curious to see if your family wants to transition to EVs. We've talked about this before.
Yeah.
The window switches. The dual window switches for the 4 windows. And
so how do I get it to the? Oh,
you touch that, and then it lights up, and then you operate the rear. I want you to explain to me in what universe that makes any sense.
You know, it's silly.
Yeah.
But if that is the biggest complaint about this car,
No. The biggest complaint is what Andrew will tell you, which is that one, who owns Electrify America, or who funds a lot of Electrify America?
it's a Volkswagen.
It's Volkswagen.
Yeah.
And guess which car charges the least reliably on Electrify America?
Is it the ID.4?
Yes, it's Volkswagen.
You know what? Hey, so like you were talking about the Toyota, the R2D2.
Yeah.
It had the cluster in a place where you couldn't see it when you adjusted the steering wheel.
Yeah, this adjusts with it.
Yeah,
It's a concept, isn't it? It's a
much
concept.
smarter.
Yeah.
What is this shifter though?
That's a shifter. This is the famous haptic buttons on Volkswagens right now. We'll talk about that a little bit more on the GTI because that's.
I don't like that.
Yeah, you think? And don't forget the lights right here. And like I said, the defrost is also on here as well, which makes a lot of sense.
Why is everything a touch?
Yeah. It doesn't even vibrate, which is the best part.
Is this at least good? Okay, this feels quick and it's got big touch targets, so they've at least
We'll try to adjust the temperature.
Try to adjust the temperature?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's that touch bar on the bottom. Try to use it.
Oh, what?
Oh, maybe it's off right now.
It might, it might just not be able to.
My favorite thing about the Volkswagen touch panel thing there, it's not lit at night.
Wait, what?
So that's just all darkness.
Seriously?
Yes.
That's...
Oh, there you go. Hey, there's temp. How do you do the temp?
There's a thing here,
Do you slide it? And you put your finger on slide it, maybe?
There's not... Maybe because the car isn't on, it won't let me actually adjust that. But like that is just...
Take a look at
buttons.
rear.
Give me buttons.
Oh, rear legroom is good. You would like that.
And I got plenty of space up there too,
Yeah.
so yeah, if somebody fits back there.
I like this gray as well. I like the styling of the ID.4. I would prefer to have the, what was the smaller one, ID.3, Andrew? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but we didn't get the hatchback here, right? Yeah.
I think it looks really good.
Looks really
I've
good.
heard good things about how it drives.
The thing is, though, every electric car is going to drive well, you know? It's hard to make a bad one.
Yeah, but you can talk about like the refinement of the car and the drive itself. Like there are characteristics that all EVs share that can lead to good driving dynamics.
Yeah.
But it's also about the refinement of the drive, the level of noise that you get, how it handles that ride quality. And those are all things that I've heard very good things about in the ID.4.
Yeah.